Mom, be ready to stop the ball. Today I got my earbuds. Let's go ahead and open up the box. Nice, beautiful case. You can use them for your walks, running on the treadmill, or anything else. Easy to set up, Bluetooth enabled. Comes with a Type-C charger, so you could charge them up.
All right, the great thing about these headphones is that they actually tell you how much charge they have. And even if I remove this one, if you guys can see, the R is out and you put it back in, it starts charging. Right now we're 100% on both of them, but it will indicate when you actually need to charge them. All right, and I like this display right here, LED display. So hope you guys enjoyed the video.